In this quick video, I will give you an overview of WhatDroid, the new application from us that will help you reach your prospective customers with 98% open rate, and you can promote any product or service locally or globally with never before success. This is WhatDroid, and it's a powerful application that will help you automate your marketing on WhatsApp. Hi there, I'm Cyril Jeet Gupta and I have been marketing for nearly 20 years now. I have created a host of solutions for internet marketers and this is my latest application. So in case you didn't know, WhatsApp is a powerful messenger application. In fact, the most popular messenger application of the world, now used by over 2 billion people with over 65 billion messages exchanged every day. And this is very popular among the youth, the core customer demography of 18 to 49-year-olds. And on WhatsApp, a lot of people are doing business right now. There are actually over 5 million businesses who are interacting over WhatsApp, talking to their customers, exchanging information, telling people about their products, special offers, and selling products worth billions of dollars every year on WhatsApp, particularly the smaller solopreneurs and homepreneurs are using WhatsApp to reach out to the audience, talk to them, and sell products. Anything and everything, starting from food products to clothing to specialized services, whatever you think can be sold on WhatsApp. And WhatDroid is the new application that will help you make the process easier. It uses automation, browser automation, and WhatsApp web to give you the capability to schedule your messages, message people with numbers, and also filter and identify WhatsApp contacts from any number that you put in. This is a complete WhatsApp marketing application that will help you do your WhatsApp marketing and faster. You can automate your entire WhatsApp marketing. You will have features that you've never seen before in any other application, and it's legitimate because it uses browser automation. There's no hack, there is no secret method. It just happens right before your eyes. You click a button and the message goes through WhatsApp web. With WhatDroid, you can engage your buyers with 98% effectiveness. That's the open rate in WhatsApp. When you send a WhatsApp message to someone, people view it at a 98% rate. So 98% of the people you message will see your message. How cool is that? You can send any media type. You can send attachments, you can send videos, graphics, you can send PDFs, whatever you want. You can send your offers, coupons, and promotions, drive traffic to any website you want, send payment links because WhatsApp now supports payments. Actually, there is a separate complete system called WhatsApp Payments, which is a part of WhatsApp. You can accept payments on WhatsApp, but even if you don't want to use WhatsApp Payments, you can share any payment system, PayPal links, Payoneer, whatever you want. It's all possible. And you can start off conversations with new customers, turn them, engage them, and turn them into your buyers. And you can also answer marketing questions one-to-one directly with the most amount of effectiveness possible. This, guys, is the best method to sell right now, to reach out to your customer right now. So I'm not going to take any more of your time, and I'm going to dive in and show you how WhatDroid works. With WhatDroid, you can broadcast a message to a group of people. You can schedule your messages and broadcasts. So if you are working in the morning and you're too busy to send a good morning message to your contacts, or you are too busy to wish someone, or you're too busy to give someone the information you want to send them at a scheduled time, you can schedule a message and you can schedule it to one person or multiple person. You can create message sequences. So if you want to create a sequence of messages that go out every day, you can do that. You can verify WhatsApp numbers. So if you have a group of numbers and you want to see and make sure that you extract the correct WhatsApp numbers from them and remove all the numbers that are not WhatsApp accounts, that are not valid WhatsApp account, you can do that using the number verifier. And using groups, you can check out WhatsApp groups that you have and find out who's in the WhatsApp group, and you can even message those people. Then there's collections. You can create collection of numbers. Let's say you've got different groups of people and you want to create them into a separate collection that's private only to you and message them individually. You can do that using collections. And finally, in reports, you can see how your messages went and how things are. Let me just get started and show you how to use WhatDroid. So first, you need to add your WhatsApp account to WhatDroid, and you can do that by clicking on the account section. You will see the list of all the accounts you've added. If you want to remove any account, you can just click on this little cross button over here. To add a new account, click on Add Account button. You will see this screen for the wait for wait, and then you will get an instance of your web browser pointing to WhatsApp web. If you haven't added your account to OneDroid already, you will need to do that using the WhatsApp web system, and you will need to use this QR code to give WhatsApp web the permission to use your account from the phone. It's very important. WhatsApp is 100% secure. It doesn't take your password, it doesn't take your login, it doesn't hack anything, it doesn't simulate anything. It uses WhatsApp web, which is a tool created by WhatsApp to do all the things that you want to do. So it's 100% legit. It's not trying to hack or use any kind of security loophole to do what it does. It uses exactly what you do with WhatsApp web. The only difference is it uses web browser automation to make your tasks easier. So once you've added your account, you can start using WhatsApp features on WhatsApp. So the first is sending a message broadcast. So if you want to message a bunch of people, send them individual messages, but you don't want to waste your time clicking all over again, you can do that. Just type in your message, hi, how are you doing? Whatever you want to write, write. You can even use emojis. So if you want to use an emoji or whatever, you can do that. You can style your text. So if you want to make your text bolder, or you want to italicize some text, or you want to strike through, you can do that. You can select any kind of WhatsApp related formatting that WhatsApp allows. You can also put in snippets. So if you want to put in the first name of the person, let's say, you can do that, and this text will be replaced by the person's first name. So let's say if you're messaging Cyril, it will say something like, hi Cyril, how are you doing? We haven't talked in a while, what's up? And that way you will be able to create a personal connection even if you're not typing every message separately. It's a great time-saving device. You can even have attachments. So if you want to attach any image or photograph or whatever file you want, like a PDF, you can do that over here. Next, just select the account you want to use. So I was selecting this account, and then you can put in the numbers that you want to message. You can put in any, so put in a list of any numbers you want. You can put in the country code first, so you can send a message to any country, any contact you want. You can broadcast to a list of numbers, or you can broadcast to a WhatsApp group. So if you've got any WhatsApp group that you've collected from the group section over here, you can broadcast to that group. And what that will actually do is it will pick out every person from that group and send out a separate message. It's not going to send a message to the group. So you will be able to do that individual messaging that I told you about. Then if you got any collections in the collection section, that is a group of numbers that's private only to you. You can message only to that collection also. Right now we don't have any collections. So I'm just gonna message to this group, click on submit, and the message will be sent. That's it. You can also schedule a broadcast to go out at a certain point of time using the schedule broadcast system. Just select the date you wanna send out the broadcast, select the time, and select the time zone, and you can send out the message at the selected time. As usual, you can use snippets like full name, first name, last name, or number over here. You can format the message. It's all here. Click on next, select the account, and you can then again broadcast to a list of numbers or WhatsApp group or collections. Now remember this, you can have multiple accounts in WordDroid. So if you got like 3-4 accounts, you can add them all and you can send messages to them all. Then there's sequences, which is an amazing feature. With sequences, what you can do is select an account, select a collection, and create a sequence name. So I'll come back to sequences in a moment. First, let me set up a collection. So here I am setting up a collection. I'm calling it my test collection, whatever you want. Then in that collection, I'm gonna add a number. So I've created a collection and I've added a number here. And now I'm gonna go back to sequences. So in sequences, what you can do is you can create a sequence of messages that will go out to your collection based on the time gap you specify, and you can create a sequence that has 10 messages, like one message going out every day or one message going out every day for the next 10 days, 15 days, whatever you want, it can happen. Select the account, select the collection, give it a sequence name like my test sequence, or call it whatever you want, click on add, and then in the sequence you can add the message. So for example, this is the 0 day. This is immediately when a person is added to a collection, this is the message they will get. Hi, welcome, or whatever you want. Then you can add, as usual, you can add anything you want, photographs or files. Click on save, and the message is now in the sequence. Then you can add a second message on the first day, like The second, this is the day 2 of when the person is added. Did you see my message? Call it whatever you want, put in any message you want, click it. And that way you can have a sequence of messages that are going down to the person you want without you having to type in a lot every day for the next X number of days. Then you got number verifier. Here what you can do is you can put in any number and click on submit, and the software will tell you what number is valid, that is what number has a WhatsApp account and what number doesn't. So it's easy for you to filter out non-WhatsApp account from WhatsApp accounts. Then there's a group. If you've got any WhatsApp group, you can enter the name and it's going to add the numbers from that group so that you can message these people individually. Collections, I've already shown you, these are private collections of numbers. Create a collection, put any numbers you want, and then you can create a sequence to them, or you can even broadcast a message. And in reports, you can see how did your functionality work. Like there are four modes: broadcast now, scheduler broadcast, sequences, and number verifier. You will see how each operation went, and if there are any errors, they're gonna show up over here. If the operation was successful, you will see the report over here too. Then there's settings where you can set up things like your default account and a gap between each message. So when you're sending out multiple messages to people, it's not going to send up all in a stream. This is not going to let you spam. So it's going to randomize the time gap. It's going to make sure that this is like a human being doing this. Of course, you don't have to do it with your phone. You don't have to sit on the phone all day or on the computer all day. It's just going to save time for you, but it's not a spamming tool. And in help, you will find tutorials which will help you use this software better. And that's all what Droid is. It's a very simple application, but very effective to save you time, to save you time while you're working with WhatsApp. Now it works with WhatsApp or web automation, and it can work with both WhatsApp personal accounts and business accounts. So if you're a business owner, you can use it to send messages using your WhatsApp business account. So this was how WhatDroid works. Just to highlight, if you get WhatDroid, you're also going to get commercial license, which you can use to provide services related to WhatsApp marketing to your customers. And there are a lot of customers who want this. This is just an introduction on Fiverr and Freelancer. A lot of people are looking for this. And you also get a training, a complete training that shows you how to do effective marketing on WhatsApp. That's a part of the deal itself. You don't need to go out and buy separate training. We will show you exactly how it's done. Plus, you get 50 ready-made messages that will help you break the ice and reach your customers. And you get ready-made graphics too. It's all a part of the introductory offer. So please grab it if you can and make WhatsApp marketing so much more easier for you with WhatDroid.